Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's your Millennial Filipina. See ya!
I feel the most of time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your car.
Hi guys! I'm glad that you're here. If you're new to my channel, by the way, I am Sia Cardino, a Kapampangan content creator, and my channel is all about finance, education, travel, tutorials, and anything about millennial life. So if you want to know more about millennial life, please feel free to click the subscribe button and the bell button to keep you more updated sa mga videos ko. And for today's content, I'll be sharing the different steps on how to open a savings account in BDO. Of course, number one na kailangan mong malaman is yung bangko kung saan ka mag-open ng account. So let us have a brief background about BDO. Ayan guys, so BDO stands for Banco de Oro. As of August 2019, the largest bank in the Philippines is BDO. It has assets valued at 3 trillion pesos. What more guys kung ngayon 2020 magkano na kaya? BDO also guys is the 15th largest bank in the Southeast Asia. So BDO guys is also a member of SM Group. BDO is founded in 1966 here in Manila guys, and known pa siya noon as Acme Savings. And in November 1976, Acme Savings was replaced into BDO Savings. Kung tinatanong nyo guys kung sino yung President and CEO of BDO, it's Nestor Tan. And guys, so as of 2019, 1,400 yung branches ng BDO nationwide. And it has 4,400 ATMs nationwide. Kaya good choice kayo kasi BDO is the number one bank here in the Philippines. Marami siyang branches, marami siyang ATMs, and subok at tested na yung bangko na to. For students, ang may re-recommend ko is the ATM savings account. Ito naman convenient, magagamit mong pag-transfer ng funds kasi meron siyang online banking. Magagamit mo siya sa pag-withdraw, pag nag-shopping ka, kapag nagda-dine ka, or kapag nagbabayad ka, pwede mo siyang ipang-swipe. So, yan po yung mga features niya. Minimum initial deposit para makapag-open ka ng ATM savings account, kailangan magdala ka ng 2,000 pesos. Tapos yung 2,000 pesos na yun, nandun lang sa loob ng account mo. And then yung minimum MADB niya or monthly average daily balance should be 2,000 pesos also. Minimum balance to earn interest is 5,000. Yung interest niya guys is 0.125%. Ito pa yung other features ng BDO ATM Savings Account. Account closure niya guys is 300 pesos. And then falling below minimum balance is 300 pesos. Account dormancy, magpipay ka ng 30 pesos. And withholding tax niya for interest earned is 20%. So that is our first step guys. Sa pangalawang steps guys, you need to prepare your requirements. Number one guys, ang pinakamahalaga ay 2 valid IDs. So, ano yung mga accepted na valid IDs? So, may mga special requirements sila guys. Halimbawa, kung student ka naman, kailangan mong dalhin yung study load mo on the current semester kung kailan ka nag-a-apply, along with your school ID. Kailangan mo ring magdala ng 2 pieces, 1x1 pictures. Proof of billing na nakapangalan sa iyo mismo para makita dun yung address mo kung saan ka nakatira, or barangay clearance na merong dry seal na naka-address kung saan ka nakatira. And of course, yung pang minimum deposit mo para makapag-open ng account. Kung ready ka na, okay na yung mga requirements mo, punta ka na sa pinakamalapit na branch ng BDO sa lugar mo. So, choose the one nearest into your address, guys. Para sakaling magka-problema, malapit ka lang sa branch mo. Complete your application. So, kung nandun ka na sa BDO, guys, huwag kang mahiya. Okay? Ako rin, nung ako nag-open, nahiya ako kasi first time ko. So, huwag kang mahiya. Magtanong ka lang sa guard or sa teller kung saan yung account opening desk. Usually, makikita mo naman yon, merong mga signage doon na account opening desk, and then i-assist ka naman nila. Let them know na mag-o-open ka ng account mo. Usually guys, kung pinili mo is ATM savings, magpa-process pa yan. Nung ako kasi, 2 weeks akong pinabalik para ma-process yung BDO ATM card ko. Kapag na-receive mo na yung ATM card mo before ka umalis sa branch, i-check mo muna kung tama yung name or walang error sa card. And then, kapag na-check mo na, don't forget your signature at the back of your card. Activate your BDO ATM debit card. Paano nga ba magpalit ng PIN sa iyong BDO debit card? So, pumunta ka lang sa ATM machines, isuksok mo doon yung ATM card mo, and then pindutin mo yung other services. Makikita mo doon yung PIN. Enter 6-digit PIN na personalize and customize mo. Click on enter. After that, ask ka ulit na i-re-enter yung 6-digit PIN mo. Wait for the message na new PIN has been generated. And after that, get the transition receipt and okay na po yung debit card nyo sa BDO. Naka-activate na siya, pwede mo na siyang bigyan ng laman ng pera and pwede mo na siyang gamitin sa mga ATM machines. Congratulations! You are now a proud owner of BDO Savings Account. Good luck on your journey towards financial freedom. So, welcome to the millennial thinking and happy millennial life. If you have more questions, guys, do not hesitate to comment below kung ano pa yung mga queries nyo about opening an account in BDO. So, if you like this video, guys, give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button to keep you more updated sa mga videos ko. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay safe, sane, and strong this quarantine.